Good morning, all of you. My name is Nageshwar. Welcome back to my channel. Uh, First, I want to tell you what we do in this video. In this video, we are going to practice simple past tense, question and answers. Before practicing, I have to tell why we want to practice simple past tense, question and answers. Because in simple past tense, when we ask any question in simple past tense, many people may not know how to make a question in simple past tense. First point, most of the people may not know how to make a question in simple past tense, and some people some people get confused whether they have to use V1 or V2 in while making a question. So many people use V2 when they make a question in simple past tense. V2 is not used. V1 is used. That's why some people get confused and use V2. So that's the reason we are going to practice question and answers in simple past tense. Those who watch this video, I hope that they can understand how to make a question in simple past tense and how to tell the answer in simple past tense. Already, in simple past tense, V2 is used in simple past tense, not V3 or not V1. And when we make a question, V1 is used. If you want to make a question, V1 is used. So understand carefully. We can learn how to make a question from this video in simple past tense. I hope that you can understand it well and use these sentences in your day-to-day life. Okay, let's get started. When did you get up yesterday morning?
I get up yesterday morning at 5 o'clock.
Speak loud. When did you get up? Yesterday morning?
I get up at yesterday morning at 5 o'clock.
Okay. I got up at 5 o'clock. When did you get up yesterday morning?
I got up at 5 o'clock yesterday.
Okay. When did you take breakfast?
I take breakfast at 1 o'clock.
Not I take. I took
I
breakfast.
took breakfast at 1 o'clock.
See, we are practicing simple past tense. Okay, not simple present tense. Okay. V2 is used. Okay. V2, not V1. Uh, when did you take breakfast?
I took breakfast at 7 o'clock.
You took breakfast at 7 o'clock. Okay. When did you take a bath?
I took a bath at 7:30.
You took a bath at
7:30.
7:30. Did you play in the morning?
No.
Yesterday, did you play in the morning yesterday?
No, I didn't play in the morning yesterday.
Okay. You did not play in the morning yesterday. Okay. After breakfast, where did you go?
After breakfast, I came to spoken English class.
Where did you go yesterday after taking breakfast?
I came to spoken English class yesterday.
Okay. After breakfast, you came to the spoken English class. You came to the class yesterday. How much time did you practice spoken English?
I practiced 1 or 2 hours.
You practiced for 2 hours or 3 hours.
Yes.
Okay. What did you practice in Spoken English Institute?
I practiced
Mm.
how to speak in English and
Mm. Storytelling,
storytelling and
Mm.
conversation.
general conversation. Mm.
General conversation and
Mm.
V1, V2. How to use V1, V2.
Studied grammar. You studied grammar and storytelling, general conversation, and yeah, you practiced. Okay. After the class, where did you go?
After the class, I went to home.
Hmm. You went to home, or did you meet your friends after the class?
I went to home after the class.
You went home, not went to home. You went home. Okay. When did you take lunch?
I take lunch at 1 o'clock.
I take lunch or I took lunch?
I took lunch at 1 o'clock.
You took lunch at 1 o'clock. After lunch, did you sleep for some time?
Yes. After lunch, I slept for some time.
I sleep or I slept?
I slept for some time.
After lunch, this boy slept for some time after lunch. Okay. How much time did you sleep? How much time did you take rest after lunch?
I take rest up to 1 hour.
I took rest or I take rest?
I took rest up to 1 hour. That's right.
I took rest for an hour. This boy took rest for an hour after lunch. After getting up, yeah, where did you go? Did you stay at home or go outside?
After lunch, I stay at home.
You stayed at home. Did you study at home or what did you do?
I watch TV for some time.
Hmm. What did you watch?
I watched some movie,
Which movie?
Ramakrishna Tenali.
Do you remember the name of the movie?
Yes,
Which movie?
Ramakrishna Tenali.
Tenali Ramakrishna. Tenali Ramakrishna. Okay. Will you? Okay. After yes, how much time did you? How long did you watch?
I watched up to 2 hours.
2 hours. Hmm. 2 hours. Okay. After that, up to 4 o'clock or 6 o'clock, did you watch?
4 o'clock.
Up to 4 o'clock, did you watch that movie? Up to 4 o'clock. Okay. After that, yes, after 4 o'clock, where did you go?
I went to Just Sports Cricket Academy
Okay. Why?
to learn how to play cricket.
Okay. You played cricket after that with your friends, with your classmates. Did you play cricket with your friends and classmates, or just tell
I played cricket with my friends and classmates.
with your friends and classmates? How long did you play?
Up to evening 9:30.
Up to evening time. You played up to evening 9:30. Up to evening 9:30. Okay. After that, when did you come home?
I came to home at 9:30.
You came home at 9:30. Look at you came home at
9:30.
9:30. Did you take bath or not?
I took bath.
You took a bath at 10 o'clock.
Yes.
Then when did you take dinner?
I take dinner at 10:30.
I take dinner. I took
I
dinner.
took dinner at 10:30.
You took dinner at 10:30. After dinner, did you go to bed immediately or watch? Did you watch mobile or TV?
I went to bed immediately.
You went to bed. You went to bed as soon as you finished. You took dinner.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I think in this video there are question and answers in simple past tense. I hope that those who watch this video, they would learn how to make a question in simple past tense and how to tell the answer in simple past tense. Okay. In our next video, we will practice simple future. Till then, see you again. Bye.